Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Right, talking about what benefit after you read a book every single day, every single night, every single year, right? Today, I want to explain about a little bit about the benefit of learning a book. Honestly, I myself, exactly I don't like reading a book a lot, but I have to. For example, like history book, this is my favorite book. Now, example as to this guy, if you tell the story, about history, it couldn't be too right. Because how did you have to be true guy? You don't know what history you have to master that. As I know nowadays, after I read every single book, like Aceh sepanjang abad, dan between the colonial war in Aceh in 1873, the time first, March 26, in 1873. After that, between the Kumar War and the time Junyadi. So I have a method in that, and I can explain or share for you guys from Europe, United States, United Kingdom, Australia, or Asia, exactly Malaysia. Because this is my dream. From this day and the day, to be true guys, this is my dream. I do love that work, do love that job. This is my passion, that what I love until now. That's because share something like history, I do love history now. So if I don't mastering read a book or mastering like watching videos or watching YouTube or anything about it, like a website, Google. So how do I have to mastering that? So I have to find a way like the old people, generally actually people and who has measured that story. If I couldn't find that guy who was just as possibly or this guy, like a couple of months ago, like this guy in Burn at the time, the best people who mastering history. So how will I have to find out about the story? Because I don't find people like mastering history. So the point is mastering book like not only for it, like history book, military, or like I do love learning languages. What kind of between American English, English, Australian English, many accent in the United States, already accent, from Ohio, North Carolina, Atlanta, Florida, Arkansas, different accent there. But also a mastering like British accent. So the point is, reading a book very important nowadays. So you don't have to read a book like take a book like read every single day, but in your mobile phone, smartphone, PDF book, that when you got get it here, what hit a sec, hit it everywhere, in your bathroom, what, in your roommate, what, you can enjoy yourself, enjoy the time. Now you mastering that with your read with PDF. Alright, that's my time. It's still out. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.